Hey guys, Ricky here from Route Again. So today we're gonna go over 5 easy steps on finding new contracts. Step 1, identify your ICP, is your ideal customer profile. It's a full description of Wait, you guys aren't here to listen to me read through all this stuff, right? Quick tips is what we do here. Ditch the paper. So let's talk about those 5 steps, right? So it's identifying your customer profile, right? Step 1. Number 2, you're gonna wanna identify the geographic location of your area that you wanna service. Step 3, identify the ICP within that geographic location. Number 4, you're gonna wanna find the contact information for the decision makers of that ICP within that organization in that area. Step 5, send them an email, knock on the door, show up, find them on the social media, find that ICP contact info and reach out to them. You guys, I got an ebook that tells you about those same steps and it gives you all the information you need. If you guys are starting a cleaning business or you're hitting a refresh button on cleaning again, click on the link below, download the ebook. We go into so much more detail to help you guys as small business owners start winning more contracts. And again, guys, we're here to empower the space. We're here to help the cleaning industry. So if you guys have any tips of your own outside of these 5, please put them in the comments below. Let's engage. Help me help you guys.